Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what we've got here is Dr. Lou's septic tank cleaning, drain jetting and portable toilets. Telephone number 07813 779 801. That's 07813 779 801. Covers Lancashire, Yorkshire and Cumbria. Portable toilets. But like we say, we've got an all-terrain vehicle here, Landrover. What a beauty. Pressure washer on back. All set up as usual, flow and return system. Water tank on board. Like I say, this is all terrain. Dr. Lou's, Barn Allswick. So you can take it anywhere, cross fields, that's the whole intentions, work anywhere at all terrain. And like I say, this is Dr. Lou's, covering Cumbria, Lancashire and Yorkshire. Telephone number 07813 779 801. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.